Hello dear all beautiful students, welcome to today's session once again. Today we will solve the biology second paper assignment Rui fish. It is a very nice, interesting and very simple assignment this week. I think whatever you have done in previous time, beside this one, you have to had the hard work on them, on that specific assignment. But this one is simple and simple. Since I have no Rui fish in my hand, so I draw it for you and mention that parts. But five chart in a one chart, there is a sub 5 chart to fulfill that one and write something about that and cut the good figure out of 12 out of 12. So what should we do? You can do this assignment in two ways. First one, you can take a live fish from the market, and second option is you can draw a figure in your copy and then measure. Since if you have no available Rui fish on there, draw that one in your page and measure with them. I have a scale in them here. This is a scale. Since you don't think that what is the measure I measured here actually, that will be the actual and real for that parts. But basically the important thing is to have to connect with them and measure the actual event what you draw in your copy. And I suggest you, if it is the live fish, the very best one to measurement this one. So what are the 5 chart? Let's go to solve within short time, very easiest way. What is the assignment part in the box is mentioning there. Okay, first one I will just go through the 3 rubrics maintain: 1.1, 1.2 for 4 marks, 1.3 for 4 marks, and 1.4 and 1.5. This in a chart, the 5 boxes separately and having the 4 to 12 marks. So in the first box, what is given in there, I will just draw for it this way. Chart 1. Chart 1, follow me here to draw this one. It is given in your assignment. Chart 1, it is the we can go through about there. Physical structure of Rui fish, physical structure of Rui fish on there, physical structure. And what is the chart 1.1, the start of chart number 1. This is for 4 marks, not 4 marks, 2 marks. 1.2 is the 2 marks, so 1.1 and 1.2 is the 2 to 4 marks. So head parts is given in there, and then after we will part it here, the maximum length in centimeter, and then after maximum breadth, it is also counted as a centimeter scale. Simple. So what is the part mentioning here? First one, what we see, that is the body of fish is mentioning the first part. Second part is the eye, and third part is operculum. This is the operculum. I draw the figure for you and make it mind that one in the first figure. So first one, 1.1 is simple and very simple to draw. Now it is the time to measure that one properly and getting the figure out from there. Rui fish, the head, this is the trunk, and this is the tail, and nostrils, eyes, mouth parts, operculum is in there, in the pectoral fin, chest fin also on there. Then this is the lateral line organ. It is not seen maybe in the video, but this type of lateral line in the body of the Rui fish, it can be visible after taking a fish. If you buy a Rui fish from the market, then you can see from there. And not only for that, yes, then after this is the pelvic fin, anal fin, caudal fin, and tail parts, scales in the body of them, and above part is the dorsal fin. It is just for making the parts to know here, just giving idea. I think you know also this one. So head parts, first 1.1 box, head parts, maximum length finding and maximum breadth to find out here. Maximum length and maximum breadth. Okay, someone asks me, sir, is it okay, this is a trunk, I will measure that parts only, that up to this to that? No, body means full of the part. If I think what is the body, we can cut our head and start from here to downward part. No, you will start from here, and up to the total. I got the 60 centimeter. Don't just give it idea, you just get idea from my class and do it. And if you buy or draw anything, any figure of rui fish in your copy, measure, and in the copy it will be not this size, but this size rui fish also available in the market. If you write that one, is not wrong, but try to do yourself. Okay, body of fish and maximum length from there to there, I make it sure the maximum length, maximum breadth. If I measure that one, no, where it is the swelling part in the body, you can see from here to there the maximum, we can count in there, counting part. Maximum breadth, yes, what I got it from there, if it is the measurement of me 14 centimeter, maximum breadth 14 centimeter. How can I measure that one? Yes, I measure that one. It is a small. If I draw is bigger way, or in the fish I can see 2.75 centimeter. Okay, what I got, I will write here 2.75 centimeter, and then after in the breadth in 2.5 centimeter. Okay, 2.5 centimeter, I measure that one. Operculum, yes, for this work, operculum. By drawing figure, it is not easily exact measurement to find out from there. So if it is to buying something, some fish from the market, you can see that if it is a rui fish, also any fish, there is a just closing and opening operculum like covering layer, covering part on there. From there they can distress and breathing in and out on there. So this one to open and close, you can measure the maximum when open. In the maximum, though I just try to make sure 8 centimeter, but it can be by what you got in from there. And then up to then 5 centimeter I got it. Suppose this is the chart 1.1 complete, very simple. So if you want to get the good marks, after drawing the all chart 1.1, 1.2, then you will write the measurement value, write something, since the 12 mark teacher will give you after getting the assignment not only for 1 pages, you will write something for make it more useful and more getting or cutting good figure in the assignment. Okay, so number 1 completed. Number 2 in the assignment part, what is mentioning in the number 2? I will see the question once again. 1.2 is lateral line organ to mention here, head and lateral line organ. But this figure below that parts, I have seen from there in the camera, a lower portion, how many parts? Yes, maybe can be done in there. Maybe the second part I can draw after then. I don't know, since I draw it in big sense. 1.2, yes, so here mentioning head and lateral line organ. Head and lateral line organ. Yes, head and lateral line organ. This one to have only one figure. Head and lateral, this line I can write in there. Lateral line organ. And here only the figure, only the part, only just length in centimeter, maybe in the box. Yes, length centimeter, length, only measuring length centimeter. Is it seen from my camera? Distance is far near, I don't know actually from here that it is seen or not. Okay, 2 boxes in there. Okay, if it is not seen, I will make it sure after drawing that one. Here first point is mentioning, okay, any of the single lateral line from one side, single lateral line, concise place. So please, dear student, make it in bigger way. That means you can have to go through in the page in expanded form, so that you're not look like concise in there. I have not enough place, so that I did it in this way. Single lateral line, one side. If we think about it is in the one side, so we will measure on there. And second point to find out in there, okay, that is the nostrils to distance between nostrils to eye, one side. Distance between nostrils. It is given in your assignment. I think you got your assignment. Nostrils, distance between nostrils and eye in one side. It is very short way. Can you see this small alphabet, small sentence, small way I have written in there? Okay, I think it is seen here. Okay, so this one I measured, that one, the head lateral line organ. I told you in the body there is the small lateral line organ. To find out in their body, we can measure out, okay, the maximum measure out line, lateral line. You can see in a live fish also on there, lateral line is founding on there, 26 centimeter. I got it here, 26 centimeter. And second one, distance between nostrils to eye. Since this side and opposite side have the same, so I will measure that distance is 3.5. Okay, 3.5 centimeter. 1.1 and 1.2, the box chart 1 we completed and getting the good marks, 4 marks. Now it is the 1.3. It is also counting for the second chart. Yes, I need to go through to draw that one, second part and second chart. 1.3, I erased that one. What is the 1.3 to say about fin? Maybe fins. Number 3, the chart is asking for fins. Okay, 1.3, I will make you here 1.3. It is 1.3. It is the fins. Yes, mix it once again. Below then, look at here, below, after them, since there are not enough space for me, below you will draw this way, what I have mentioned here. And here the 4 fins are starting here. Okay, the box is okay and well. Did in this way. I erase that one. Okay, this one. 1.3 fins. So first fins to say here, which one? 1.3. This is the 1.3. Okay, first one we have say here the dorsal fin. Dorsal fins. Okay, second one. Okay, it is say about the caudal fin. Caudal fins. Okay, and third one, it is asking for this one, pelvic. Sorry, pelvic is not this one. The pectoral fin or chest fin. Pectoral fins. Okay, any one side. It is at one side. Any one side. Since this side and that side same. One side. Okay, to measure on there, and then pelvic fin. So anal fin is not to measure on there. So pelvic fin, this one, pelvic fin, pelvic fins in there. Okay, what is the maximum and minimum? This is the way. Okay, that one in one side. It is also one side. We measure that one in one sided. Yes, now it is. Let's go. Very interesting and simple assignment this week. So dorsal fin, the maximum. If it is better for live, alive or lively, you can measure that the rui fish scales part or fin, whatever is going on there specifically. Better to carry out live fish. And maximum, you will take it on a spreading part and mark it this one scale measurement, and I got it the 13 centimeter. Okay, fine. 13 centimeter, and lowest part I got it from here. It is the 6 centimeter. Okay, fine. Lowest part, highest part and lowest maximum. This one, maximum length I got it on there, and maximum breadth I tell you, not the lowest form on there. It is the 9.5. Sorry, maximum breadth I can see once again 9.5 centimeter. Please, what is the maximum breadth or minimum length? Yes, maximum breadth to say here. Okay, by the way, so I think you understood this one. And then caudal fin. Where is the caudal fin? This one. Someone says, sir, in which way I can measure in there? Okay, fine. Look at here. The breadth. I spread this one. If it is a live fish, 5 centimeter. Caudal fin, 25 centimeter, and minimum this one, this way. This one to this one. Okay, 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Caudal fin. Pectoral fin. Pectoral fin, the chest fin. 9 centimeter. I measured in there. And short maximum breadth is 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter since it is smallest fin. Pelvic fins in one sided. Okay, we will go through the maximum length 13 centimeter. And the minimum we can got it in there 7 centimeter. It is just for my experiment. I do it for this one, but whatever you got, you will just write the value of them. So it is 1.3 is gone. 3 chart completed, 3 boxes completed, and last 2, and it is very simple. What is the assignment instruction is given here? Yes, first of all, mentioning the 5 number. Where is the 5? Okay, dorsal part. Sample of a scale, a single scales. Okay, I draw it. This one, this one. The sample of this is the 1.4. Another one. 1.4 sample of a scale. Sample of a scale in dorsal, from dorsal part or dorsal scale. You can write accordingly. It is no matter what I have written, but basically the main thing, if it is asking for and coming out, that is better. The first part. So I need to get a sample is given in over there. So if you get the live fish, I tell you once again, if it is the live fish, the dorsal part, take just hold a scale in your 2 finger and just turn and cut from there. You will get a fin on there. So what type of fin you will get? Likely maybe this is this like type of figure, or anything happen in there. It is okay, no matter. You will just whatever I can make sure in there, just for this way. Okay, just for this is the structure of likely that. So it is to measure also simple, very simple thing. We measure this one, the length. Oh sorry, where is the length? 12 centimeter, 11.5 or 12 centimeter. It is counting 12 centimeter in the breadth, and length is upper to 14.5. Suppose 14 point. Done. This is the 1.4 box. So what should we write on there? What? Yes, we will write accordingly. After then, what you will write? How will get the good figure? Only the box is completed. The measurement is the 12 mark. You will get. You expect for no. What should we do? The final last one. Very simple, and we can do it in very simplest way. And one number. If it is the pectoral part, that means sample of a scale from pectoral part or chest part. You can write in the chest part or pectoral part. Again from the lower part, if it is the live fish, or you can bought it in there, just carry out from one part, just turn, and you can within short time you will get it this figure once again, and just measure if it is the 12 centimeter or 8 centimeter, or likely to have anything you got. And this one is the 1.5, and this is all about the assignment. And then after completing this chart one by one, below see the instruction in your assignment given on there, and below you will write what the measurement in a specific box in according to 1.1 we got this 1.2 we got this 1.3 we got this. In this way you will write that parts. Very interesting assignment this week. If it is better if I got a live fish, since I have no, I draw it for you, so I make you understand this way. I think all of you understood. Now it is time to write and start doing experiment on reef fish. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay sound. Allah Hafiz.